Hello everyone! Today we are going to the boat to have someone measure our boat for new sail covers. The old ones are really bad. You might have seen that in some other videos. And we are desperately in need of some new ones. We had to wait a long time before the sailmaker had time to come, because all the sailmakers are very busy these days. If you watch our earlier episode, number 27, you can see us sail to Heiningen, where we meet the sailmaker to order our new sail covers. And that was way back in April 2021. So we waited from April 2021 till now, and it's now October, to have him come by and measure Sirius for his new sail covers. So you can imagine we are really excited about it. So let's go to the boat and welcome the sailmaker. So we are going to fit Sirius with some new sail covers. This gentleman is going to take all the measures. And a new foresail cover. We put on our biggest general to get the best fit. And we are getting a main drop system. Not only the lazy jacks, but a lazy bag. That will make a huge difference in dropping the sails. And the sailmaker brought a little friend. Hi. He did some measurements earlier. He made some profiles and now he's fitting them on the boom so he can fit the lazy bag on the boom. So we got an email. The sailmaker sent us an email that he finished our sail covers. And as you can see behind me, he already fitted the main drop system onto the boom. It's really nice. I really love the color. Let's look at it. This is how the front looks. Really nice. I love the gray. It's really nice. A long zipper to hold the front part at its place, and then the whole lazy bag with the zipper. The only thing we have to do is adjust the lazy jacks, because that's a 3-way system now. I don't know if you can see it like this. We have 3 lazy jacks coming down, 1, 2, 3, and the back has 4 points. 1 all the way at the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to adjust the system, add an extra line to it. So that's what I'm going to figure out. I hope I have enough of the same line to do it, but I don't think so. So I think we have to order some line, but that's not a big deal. And in this bag there's the cover for the Genoa. It really looks fantastic. And I'm eager to fit it on, because what we ordered is a little bit different than what we used to have. We had a cover that just came down. This is all the extra lines from the storm. I have to get rid of that first. But I now asked the sailmaker to make a cover to go around the furler, so that the furler is protected as well. So I'm really anxious to get that fitted on. Let's see. Look at that, nicely covering the furler. All the way up, nice and grey. I love it.
Me too.
What do you think? Mission accomplished. Seems okay like this.
Yeah.
I think they're pretty high enough up.
This will make no sense on the screen. Well, we when you're ready, we'll hoist the sail and see what happens.
Yeah, that'll make Okay, this is what I've done. One line with an eye in it, two lines coming down. Well, one line split in two ways. Discard the grey line that doesn't do anything, and I added a new white line that goes through the eye and down again. And at the end, where this line is coming down, here's an eye too, and a line that goes from the second one through the eye to the aft one. I had to lengthen the line a little bit because I didn't have enough line, but this is how it's going to be. So we're going to hoist the sail to check if the main drop system works as designed. I pulled off the front cover. It really looks very nice. I'm so happy with it. You see now the lines are a bit too tight. The jack lines.
Yeah, they are. Ja, definitely.
Als je mij dan even filmt, zal ik ze losser maken? Maybe this will be all right.
It looks okay.
Then we can leave the knots and the ropes here. It's got room enough, I think. Okay, Rob raised the boom a little bit. I am adjusting the lazy jacks onto the next knot. So now the lines have some tension, and then Rob is going to drop the sail and we'll just see what happens.
I hope the main drops into the main drop.
That would be nice.
Hairy spider. There you go. Swimming hairy spider.
Yay, that's the best kind. That looks so nice.
I will. It's.
Woohoo! This was the best decision ever. And we always use the main halyard to support the, how do you call kraanlijn in English? The crane line.
Yeah, the red rope over here.
Yeah, the red line that keeps the boom up. The upholder. The boom upholder line.
Good to me. Oh, yeah, that, yeah.
I don't know what it's called. We call it kraanlijn, but it doesn't make any sense in English. But we also put the main halyard on there too, so.
The kraan is a faucet, so that doesn't make sense.
No, or a crane.
Well,
A crane does make some sense.
just put it in the.
Yeah, I'll look it up.
It's subtitled now. The word is... There you go.
There you go, now we know it. Well, he did measure it very accurately.
3 times.
3 times, yeah. Nice.
Huh.
And then the front end. So nice. Happy?
Yeah. And there's a big shout out to the sailmaker,
Yeah.
Rikkers in Heiningen.
Yeah, he did a wonderful job. So happy with it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. You can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss it when a new episode is out. Bye!